What's up, cuties? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis and thank you for joining me here today. This is an exciting video because today I'm starting a new thing and I'm calling it the color of the week. And every month I'm going to choose a theme and then colors to go along with that theme. And so each week I'm going to be picking a color out of the makeup bag, and then whatever color I pick, I have to do an eye look around that color. So I already have my foundation, concealer, all that's already done, and this is going to be an eye focused makeup tutorial. So with that being said, the month of January is, that's my drum roll, the month of basics. So what does basics mean, you may ask? When I say basics, I mean primary colors, like nothing crazy, your basic colors, red, blue, yellow. And then I've also included secondary colors because there's only 3 primary colors. So purple, green, and orange as well. So there's going to be 6 colors to choose from, and we'll see which one I pull. So I have the colors in here. They're folded pieces of paper, so I don't know which one is which. And I'm about to just go ahead and pick right now. Okay, the first color chosen for the color of the week is purple. Great. Okay, so purple is the first color chosen. A purple look shall be done. Okay, this is fun. I like this, Alexis. Pretty smart idea. So I'm obviously gonna go in with the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be using mainly these 2 colors and then also these 2 colors. So these 4, but these 2 purples are gonna be the main 2 colors used. So let us start, shall we? Alright, so I have everything already done. Like I said, my base, and I also primed my eyes. I'm just going in just in case any creasing occurred. So I'm just gonna go and take a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to dip into this purple shade right here. It's at the bottom, and I'm gonna run that through my crease. And I'm doing windshield wiper motions combined with little circular motions. That way, a nice wash gets in the crease. Now, I chose to just do this whole color of the week thing so that I can really challenge myself to use the makeup that I have and explore different colors, because if it were up to me, I'd really do like a brown regular neutral tone eye, but I'm really trying to expand my horizons with color and makeup and just have fun while playing in it. So that's the whole premise behind these color of the weeks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M456 brush, and I'm going into this purple. Oops. Okay, I'm going into this purple, the deeper one, and I'm going to try to put that right underneath in the crease, like in the crease, like right where my eyes fold. That's where that dark purple is going to go, and then as well as the outer corner, just like that. Now you see, like, you see the difference between this eye and this eye? Like, there's more depth. I'm just going to go ahead between the two purple shades and deepen up the deepen up where the dark purple is and keep blending it out with the lighter purple until it is how I desire it to be. So I'm gonna try like a kind of ish cut crease. I've never done one and I'm nervous because I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up, but I'm gonna try it and I hope this comes out nice. So I'm just gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put a little bit of that on. I'm gonna put that, use the Morphe M224 brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe M166 brush and I'm going in with this shimmery purple shade. I believe it's called Artistry. So I'm going in with that, spray it with my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna go in, back in with the dark purple and blend the outer corner. Deepen that out. And now I'm going to do the other eye. This is the eyes completed. Thank goodness. They gave me such a hard time, but I really love it. It's purple. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline, my Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner in Onyx, and I'm just going to, I'm going to put it on the my waterline, but only to halfway, not all the way in. Next, I'm going to do a little smoking out, not a lot, just a little. And I'm going to take a Morphe M431 brush and take the dark purple and just go underneath only to where the eyeliner stops. So again, so next I'm going to take a Morphe M124 brush and I'm going, and I'm going in with this shade right here, which I believe is Ring Light, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner to brighten my inner corners up. Yep, straight like that. I love this. I'm so excited. I love this look. It's really, really cute. Okay. Now I'm going to just use my tried and true Benefit They're Real mascara and coat my top and bottom lashes. Now, of course, you could stop here and pop on a lip and be on your way because this looks really, really great. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and then I will be right back. This is the final eye look. I put my lashes on. These are the Ardell Studio Effects, the Demi Wispies. So they're real cute. And I actually put my lashes on correctly and they don't look awful. So I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in True Brown K and I'm going to line my lips. Then I'm going to go ahead and with the Becca Cosmetics, look at this little, this is like cute little packaging, nice and gold. And this is the shade Cupid's Kiss from the Chloe and Malika BFF collection for Becca. this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am in love with this look. So like I had said, the color of the week series is supposed to like help myself as well as others to get out of their comfort zone, get away from the neutral tones. Let's play more with color. Let's be colorful. Makeup is expressive. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be bright. It's supposed to be vibrant. I'm challenging myself with picking a new color every week, so it'll be so much fun and I'm looking forward to it. This was the first of many because I'm doing this for the whole year. So if you have any themes, make sure it's a theme that like has colors that'll go with the theme. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All that information will be in the description box as well as on the end card somewhere. And like I always do, all of the product information that I use will be in the description box as well, so make sure to check that out. So don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you joined our little crazy family over here. We keep it cute, confident, and you know, crazy. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.